We are here at one of our favourite venues, Lightspace, where we're just about to transform this warehouse into Mitch and Olivia's dream wedding. We have so much to do, so let's get started. We're here with Greg from AVIDEAS. Now Greg is part of our dream team of suppliers. They're just an essential part of every wedding that we style and plan. So Greg, we're here today on set at Mitch and Olivia's wedding. Now talk us through the lighting.
This is a very exciting setup, this one. The brief was to make it just beautiful, warm, natural tone colour. In talking to the team at white+white, we were able to design a beautiful chandelier look and something that's soft and warm. These are beautiful Egyptian crystal, and we've done them up in a cluster, but we've also had to do all the rigging to make this room work. That's one of the big things for this space, in being able to just safely hang, rig, do the weight calculations, and just make sure that the room's going to look amazing. So we've built a structure that the florists can just come along and do their job. We've done it at a level that they can work straight from, then it can all just be raised later.
I'm here with Dawes, our florist for today, and she is responsible for this amazing installation that you're seeing that's been created. So Kate, talk us through, I guess, the vision for this wedding.
It really came from what Olivia requested, which was like magical sort of woodland garden. So we created these beautiful garlands, which we created sort of off-site and we've hung here. And then we're using this fern to create like a lovely light feel to it. We'll dense up underneath here, so we have a lovely canopy, like as if it's in a forest. Yeah. Bringing nature inside we are.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then we'll keep moving out, and then we'll create more florals and things to the external section.
Yeah. Well, we just can't wait till it's finished and we can show everyone. Yeah.
Wonderful. Great. It's fun.
So we have Alistair here from our Fresco Catering. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in the food department.
First of all, I would say, Danielle, I mean, apart from the Great Wall of China, I mean, honestly, what you have done to that room and what Mitchell and Olivia have created with you, so we have done food that is really just an expression of the time and place that we are in. It's sort of early autumn, so we've got beautiful zucchini flowers from Landsborough, from Kim and Owen Jacob up on the Sunshine Coast. We've got free-range organic duck there with some ancient grains. Those grains are #on trend, you know. And we've just served out a sort of dazzling array of canapes, and we're moving on to main course. Today, it's lamb from just west of Launceston, which is, I don't know, I have no idea, I think it's that way. And we've got chicken, free-range organic chicken from the north part of the South Burnett. What was the question?
No, what was it?
I don't know.
Sounds pretty good to me. So it's now 8 p.m. and the mains are being served. And what a massive 48 hours we have had. We started early yesterday morning, pumping in all the furniture, the flowers, creating this amazing installation. We had a beautiful ceremony, it was gorgeous, and then we flipped the room and created the reception masterpiece. I hope this film has given you a great insight into how we create the wedding magic.